Hey friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color Dogman in Spanish hombre perro. So let's get started. Now let's draw the head. There. And a happy face. And I need to fix the mouth. And the body. And I have to fix this part. There we go. Now the other arm. The pants and the shoes. Go ahead. And we have to color it. There. Now in the hat. I don't forget the nose. I'll make the needle after I put the blue part. Okay. Let's put the blue color. There we go. Okay, so we have to put the Dogman's clothes, but I need to put more Sharpener in this pencil before I can paint it more even the same. And a little bit of the sides of it, but other people, they can draw Dogman if they want to, if they can. There, now we have to use dark blue. There. Now we're done with dark blue. Now let's use black. There, we're done with the shoes. Now let's color the hat. Stop. Okay, now we're drawing this part. Now we're going to color the head. and put a little bit of space for the mouth, and the head, it's like this, and the eyes are right there, so that's going to be okay. It's going to be the same when I color it. Let's stop. And under this. There. Now let's draw the ears with color. Now, painting these parts of the hands. I paint the hands, not the other ones. Now, we finished drawing and coloring Dogman. It looks the same as the one in the comic. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.